today the fourth lesson, that is floats, sings and mixes. That is the name of the fourth chapter. Floats, sings and mixes. Okay. So that is the fourth chapter. So 3 chapters we already finished. First 2 are there for the this one. PTs, PT1, then
periodic test.
Okay, nervous system. I hope everybody had completed the notes. Chapter 4, that is floats, sings and mixes.
Okay.
Here we are going. Yes, Joel.
This is midterm exam.
Midterm is called periodic test. Okay. Okay. Mute your audio. Mute your audio.
Can you say the chapter's name one more time?
Sure. Okay. So, say here in this chapter, fourth chapter, floats, sings and mixes. That is the name of the fourth chapter. In this chapter,
Ma'am, is it clothing and mixture?
clothing.
Ma'am,
Clothing.
it is about singing.
Okay. Let me start it. Okay. In between, I will ask you. So,
Can you write on board?
Yes, surely I will write. Let me give some introduction. After that, I will write. Okay, please wait.
Okay,
Here, in this chapter, we are grouping some substances into 3 different types. Okay, in this chapter, we are learning about 3 groups of substances. How many groups of substances? 3 groups of substances. Okay, Hridan, unmute your audio, Hridan. Okay.
Ma'am, can you
Unmute
repeat
it
once
first.
more?
Hridan, please listen, Hridan. See here in this chapter, we are going to learn about how many types of objects or substances? How many types of objects or substances?
To whom you are asking,
3 types.
3 groups.
3.
We are going to learn
Okay.
about 3 groups of objects, or we can say 3 groups of subjects. Substances, not subjects, substances. Okay. So here I am going to share the screen. Hridan, mute your audio. When I am sharing the screen, if anybody is unmuting, I will check it in between. Okay. So take your rough book and write down the name of the chapter. Okay. Okay. Lesson 4. Okay. Floats and sings and mixes. That is the name of this chapter. Floats, sings and mixes. Okay. Let me make this.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Shreya.
I can't see the board, ma'am. I can't see the board.
Okay. Please wait. Okay. See, I think some others are writing this
Yes,
one.
ma'am.
Angelina
I thought
Rose.
her connection gone.
Yeah,
She was stuck.
Angelina Rose, unmuted, Angelina.
Am I unmuted only?
Okay, Angelina, unmute it. I want to ask you, Angelina, unmute. Okay, read the name of the chapter.
Lesson 4.
Yes.
Floats,
Float, sing, and
sings,
and
mix.
mixes. Okay, float, sings and mixes. I hope everybody can see it. If they are not seeing,
Can you tell me little bit louder?
okay, I will. Who is that one?
Angelina.
Okay, Angelina. Okay, 3 Angelinas are there. Okay, anyhow, I will tell it. Okay, Aromal Pradeep, please switch on the video. Fast. Okay. So, in this chapter, we are going to learn about 3 groups of substances. Okay, 3 groups of substances. See, For example, let me first introduce some new words. Okay, here we are going to learn about soluble. Can you see the board?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Soluble substance.
Soluble. Ma'am, we will pronounce soluble.
Soluble substances. Second one,
I
yes,
can't
Sri
see board,
Shankar.
ma'am.
Sri Shankar, mute your audio. Why you are Joel? I can see. Without muting, you are sitting. Vishnu
Ma'am, what
Venu.
is second one? What is second one, ma'am?
Okay, I will tell. I will tell. Okay, here I stopped that one. So let me see who all are writing down. Okay, Mohammed Affan, please switch on the video. Here, let me see. Okay, once again I will share the board. At that time, all of you check it whether it is you can view visible or not. Okay. So first the new word is soluble substances. Second one, insoluble substances.
Ma'am, first one is one.
Soluble substances.
Second one.
Insoluble.
Ma'am, this is new word.
Okay.
Ma'am, in second sentence, what is that?
Insoluble. INSOLUBLE. Soluble is there. Before that one in is added. Understood? Both are.
ma'am.
Sorry?
That's in, ma'am.
I can't. It's not clear. Okay, please wait. So soluble
Okay, ma'am.
substances and insoluble substances.
Ma'am,
Here,
ma'am,
yes, who it is?
Ma'am, what means soluble substance?
Ma'am, sugar is insoluble.
Listen, dear students. Now,
Will you send the notes in WhatsApp?
Ahil, mute your audio. Now I am introducing the chapter. Before before starting, I am giving you some new words. After that, I will explain one by one. Aromal Pradeep, where are you? So one by one, I will explain it. Why are you so much eager? Why are you doing like this today? Okay. So Prinova, mute your audio. Aromal, I can't see Aromal here. Okay. So everybody keep it muted and let me start with our chapter. Okay. So here we are going to learn about this. What are these new words? Okay. Soluble substances and insoluble substances. Okay. I think second one is the opposite of the first one. Am I right? From the sound of the word itself, we can understand that second one is something opposite of the first one. Okay, let me start with it. So first we can learn about soluble substances. Okay, soluble substances. For that, see, everybody know it. When Muhammad Zaim, mute your audio. Okay, so Zaim, mute your audio. Okay, see here, Romal, where were you? Where were you? Where you went for lunch or something? Okay, sit there in proper place. Okay.
Ma'am, my grandmother's glucose is missing. That's why I founding for her.
See, during the class time. Okay, mute, don't repeat, mute your audio. So see, when you prepare for drinking milk, otherwise when you morning and evening, when you are drinking milk, you want sugar in it. Am I right? Sugar, right? You want the sweet taste. So your mother will give one spoon of sugar or 2 spoon of sugar, and your mother will tell, stir it using a spoon. Are you doing this all?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. I
Yes,
am not
ma'am.
drinking milk.
Okay. If you are not drinking milk, I will tell another example. Please wait. So, when those are stirring sugar in the milk or in the water,
Yes,
can
ma'am.
you see
Water.
that sugar in there? Can
No,
you see
ma'am.
that?
After,
It will
No, ma'am.
disappear it will disappear into the milk or into the water. It will
Yes,
disappear
ma'am.
into the milk or in the water. If we
And
see
water?
that, we can't see. If we check it. But if we drink it, if we taste it, we will get the taste, sweet taste of the sugar.
yes, ma'am.
Am I right? Okay.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. That's correct.
Yes, in the same way, when we keep salt in water, in the same way, right? Aromal, mute your
Yes,
audio. Shreya, mute your audio. Otherwise, I will mute everybody. If you have any doubt or if you want to ask anything, you can. Otherwise, while explaining, don't do it, okay? So here, when we put some salt in the water, we can't see that salt in water, but if we taste it, we will get the salty taste. That means the salt, it disappears into the water. In the same way, sugar also disappears into the water if we are keeping it in there, or if we are putting it in the milk, that will disappear into the milk. Am I right? In the same
Yes,
way,
ma'am.
there are some substances. There are some substances like sugar and salt that dissolves in water. That can dissolve in water. Those substances are called soluble substances. Once again, I will repeat. There are some substances like salt and sugar that can dissolve in water. They are called soluble substances. Okay, so now, do you have any doubt? Any doubt? Anybody
Can
have
you
any
tell
doubt?
this one more?
I will.
Substances. Can you tell this? I didn't understand some.
Okay, I will tell. Okay, I will tell. Surely I will tell. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
substances. Sri Shankar, listen. Substances that can dissolve in water.
What is meaning
Substances.
dissolve in water?
Dissolve means disappearing into water, mixing with water, disappearing in water, mixing with water. That is called dissolve. Okay, so I will write it there. Please check it. Okay, say soluble substances. Substances. Can you see?
yes, ma'am.
Okay, substances that can dissolve.
We should write this.
No. Just understand it. Okay, dissolve in water. They are called soluble substances. Substances that can dissolve in water are called soluble substances. What do you mean by dissolve? Disappearing.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Mixing with. Disappearing, mixing with, likewise you can say it. Okay?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, who is asking?
Ma'am, this is there in textbook.
Sri Shankar. Say, are you reading textbook now?
No, ma'am.
First listen the classroom. You can read the textbook after the class and can underline that point. Listen properly. Okay? Mute your audio and listen. Prinova, what you want? Amin, keep your device properly. It is upside down. Why you are playing with it? Yes, who wants to talk? Tell me first.
Angelina.
Angelina Rose, what do you want?
Dissolve means melt in the milk, na?
Not melting, mixes, disappearing in water. Rena, now no need to check the textbook. Keep the textbook away. Just I want to write down the rough book. Okay? Take your rough book, write down the new words. That is enough. Now listen. Okay? Mute your audio. Everybody mute it. Then it won't come. Okay. Here, like again, I am sharing. So, soluble substances means substances that can dissolve in water. Abhishek,
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Can you give example for soluble substances?
Salt.
Okay, salt.
Yes.
Okay, salt. See,
Sugar.
I am asking to Abhishek. I gave permission only to Abhishek to unmute. Okay? One by one. I want to give everybody a chance. Not the same person. Okay. Next one. So first Abhishek told it is salt. Let me ask to Prayag. Prayag, please unmute Prayag. Prayag, please unmute. Fast. Unmute it. Okay. Can you give example for soluble substance? Substance that mixes with water? No. Mute your audio. Mute your audio. Vaika? Vaika? Yes. Please tell me another substance. Soluble sugar. Okay. Sugar. So salt, sugar, and let me ask to you who can give one more example. Raise your hand. Raise your hand. Who can give one more example? Okay, Angelina Rose, please tell me what is the other example for soluble substance?
Ma'am,
I can't hear properly. Tell me again. Repeat it. Yeast. What is that?
yeast.
Yeast. Are you saying about yeast?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yeast.
And there is a food item to mix it.
Okay, that I understood. Yeast. Okay, yeast when we keep it in water, it will dissolve. Okay, another example.
Can I tell, ma'am?
And then Raj, tell me
Tea powder.
which powder?
Tea powder.
Tea powder. Is it soluble tea powder?
No,
Coffee and
Okay, coffee
No,
powder.
ma'am.
Okay, coffee powder. Instant coffee powder. Okay, instant coffee
powder.
Okay. See.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
We are
milk
using.
powder. Okay, milk powder. It dissolves in water, right? So ink.
Ma'am, Angelina.
Another one is ink. Ink. When you put ink in water, we can see the color of the ink, but we can't. It will mix us with the water, right? It will
Ma'am, flow powder will mix.
water. Okay, so
Sense also. Food coloring.
mute, Hridan, mute your audio. Soap. Okay.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, I have
Yes, tell me.
boost. Flour powder will be
Boost,
mixed.
Horlicks. Okay. These
ma'am, floor powder.
flour powder will not dissolve. It is
Food coloring.
food colors. Okay, very good. Colors. Listen. Everybody mute your audio. Mute your audio. Aromal Pradeep. Everybody, if you want to say the answer, raise your hand. One is sitting upside down. Amin. Keep it properly and sit. Okay. If you know the answer, if you want to share the answer, please raise your hand. Angelina Rose, tell me.
Ma'am, baking soda.
Baking soda mixes with. Okay, okay. So you are using baking soda nowadays. Okay, mute
Ma'am,
your
cocoa powder.
cocoa powder. Okay, very good. Then, Aromai Pradeep. Yes, tell me. What is your answer? Yes,
And one tablet we put in water. It it will go disappear.
okay, one tablet. Okay, so dispersible tablets. Okay, dispersible tablets are there. Soluble tablets are there. Not the whole tablet. Some tablets which we put it in water, it will dissolve in water. Okay, good. So these are. Yes, Anandan Raj, tell me.
Baby powder also.
Baby powder. No, no. It will. That I will tell.
Can I tell?
Powder. Who wants to tell? Tell that.
Ahil Samir.
Ahil. Okay, Ahil.
One more
okay.
I need to tell. Can I? His blood
Okay. Blood dissolves in water.
Ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Next one.
shampoo.
Shampoo. Okay, shampoo. So I think it is enough, right? We got more than enough examples. So
Yes.
you all got a clear idea about soluble substances. Substances that can dissolve in water. They are called,
not got the board.
they are called soluble substances. Got it? Example, salt, sugar, ink, likewise we can. So let me ask you, Angeline Relics, unmute your audio, Angeline.
Twinkling Bruce.
Is it relics? I am asking to Angeline Relics. See, when I am sharing, Hrudan, mute your audio.
Ma'am.
Mute your audio. I am asking question to Angeline Relics. Angeline Relics, can you hear me? Unmute it. Unmute it. Then only you can unmute it, dear. No, she can't do it. Okay. So let Prinova, unmute your audio.
Yes, ma'am.
Sit properly. Sit straight. Okay, sit straight in a chair. You have to sit in a chair, not on the bed. Okay, sit. So give me, tell me, what are soluble substances? What are soluble substances? At this time, all can remember what it is. Explain. Prinova, I want Prinova's answer from Prinova. Prinova, tell me. What are soluble substances? No, you don't know. So, Vishnu Venu, please, Prinova, listen. After that, I will ask you again. Vishnu Venu.
The substance that can dissolve in water.
Ah, very good. The substances that can dissolve in water. They are called soluble substances.
And can I tell example?
Prinova.
Example?
No,
Yes, ma'am.
Prinova. What are soluble substances? Tell me. Don't know. Who can help Prinova?
Amin.
I'm Shreya.
Mute your audio. Mute Sri Shankar, Amin and Shreya.
Ma'am, can
Mute
I?
your audio. Aditi, unmute it and tell me. What are soluble substances? Unmute it. Unmute it first.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, tell me. What are soluble substances?
So, soluble.
Okay, Pooja, tell me what are soluble substances?
Substances that can dissolve in water.
Substances that can dissolve in water. See, Prinova, I will share the screen. There you can see the definition. You have to read and to tell me. Okay? Will you do it?
Okay.
Mute your audio. Prinova, I am saying to
Okay, ma'am.
Prinova. Okay. Prinova, Can you see the board, Prinova? Prinova, can you see the board?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, read what
Ma'am,
it is
1
written,
minute
read.
is there. 1 minute.
See Sri Shankar. Listen the class, okay?
Ma'am, not Sri Shankar, ma'am.
Prinova, please read Prinova. What it is in the board, on the board, read it, Prinova. No. See, Prinova.
Ma'am, I do not got the board.
1 minute. Prinova, where is Prinova? I can't see.